it's Rachel. I'm on the floor because I have a box right there that I'm gonna show it to you guys. This company reached out to me to do a collaboration, so I'm going to do unboxing and review of this product. I'm so excited, guys, because this is the first big box that I received so far. If you don't feel like going out for a walk or going to the park or going to the gym, and if you just want to walk in the house, you better watch this video till the end. I do a lot of stuff in the house, like I'm doing my chores, like, you know, cleaning the house, cooking, and I get like 2,000 or 3,000 steps a day, and that's not enough. So my goal is 10,000 steps a day. I haven't been very active lately because there's so much things going on last year. Like my mother-in-law, she fell 3 times already, and my husband, he had cancer 3-4 years ago, and he's already cancer free, but he still have to have a checkup and all that. You know, that's a blessing. And this year, last May, he had an open heart surgery, 4 bypasses, so it's been like overwhelming to me, and due to all the stress, I've been eating more than usual lately, and it's not good. I'm gonna open the box and show you guys what's in it. It's right here. It says treadmill, and it's an under desk walking pad. I haven't seen that before, but maybe you guys seen it on the YouTube and other social media. So I can't wait to open the box, and I'm going to fast forward this because it may take time, you know. So let's get started. That's what it looks like. So that's the walking pad treadmill, and in this box we'll see what's inside. That was heavy. I let my husband help me to unbox it and take it out from the box, and that was really heavy, and I'm sweating right now. So in this box, okay, oops, here it is. The first one is the remote control. The second, oh, you still have to do a lot of things before you use the treadmill. I don't know what it is. Lubricant oil for the treadmill, and also this wrenches right here and the screws. I'm going to let my husband help me to do this one, guys. This bag, let's open it. This is the cord to plug into the treadmill. There is a cell phone holder, like when you walk and then you just want to watch something on your cell phone, things like that, or you can control the treadmill from your cell phone aside from the remote. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the app. There's also an app for that treadmill. Here's the paper. It says remote control pairing mode. First, press the remote control and start button, then turn on the power switch. It can be paired. And here is the treadmill manual and the code right there. I'm gonna read the manual first before I do the other things. It tells you a lot of stuff in the manual. And here's the little triangle certificate and some other bolts. There's 2 of them. And here is the big cell phone holder. Okay, there it is. This one can extend there. I'm gonna hook this one, guys, to this. It's probably that, right? I don't know. Maybe that. How do you do this? Oh. So let's unscrew this one, and I'm going to hook this one, guys. Just have to snap it. That was smart. Anyway, oops. Okay, that one there. Let's unscrew that and put it over here. There. Snap it and then hook it up. Whoops. There. and then you can just move it anywhere you like. This one is adjustable. See, you can bend it or straight it, all up to you on how you do this one, on how you want it. Then this, we have to hook it up on the walking pad. So I'm gonna walk you through the treadmill and see what we can do. This brand is WELLFIT, and if you're interested, guys, you can find this at amazon.com. I do have a coupon code to use at checkout. Everything will be in the description box below, so you better check that out. If you guys watching this video and new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. Okay. This remote right here, on the back it says easy remote setup. Turn on the treadmill, hold the start or stop button for 5 seconds, and then beep confirms pairing. So I'm going to take this plastic. There is a battery in there already. Okay, this is where I'm going to put that handle, the cell phone holder. Here is the plug that you have to plug the cord, and this is the power button here. There's 2 wheels, and on the other side also. I can't wait to try it. So right here, that's a LED monitor, and you can see the speed, the time, the distance, and also the calories that you're gonna burn. Yeah, right now it's 0 because I haven't started yet. Look at that, that is so neat. I'm gonna show you the app, install it on my cell phone, how to control it from your cell phone, and also how to use the remote. I'm going to try that, guys, and see how it works and how to set up the app. I'm going to get my phone. There's a QR code over here, or you can just search it or download the app. I do have a QR code here, this, and all I do is just scan it. So it's right there, WELLFIT. And then I have 2 WELLFIT here. Download the app, and then there. Enter now. If you don't have an account, you just have to register and then logged in. I just entered my Apple password. If you don't want to register and just enter it, if you have Google account or Apple account, you just have to click that, so you know the information, or you just have to skip it if you like. Of course, I'm a female. And then, you know, you just have to put your birthday, your height, your weight, and training goal, fat loss, or shaping, and then click OK. I'll do the rest later. It says down here, pair with treadmill, and then go. Which one over here? Smart run or free run or target run, current device or add device, searching. WELLFIT would like to use the Bluetooth, okay? You can also do it manually. The model of this treadmill is this down here. Then I have to click that. Okay, it's right here. And you can do like smart run. It says slim and sculpt, rapid fat burn, you know, just read all of that. And then free run. That is so neat. So it's working over here. Make it faster or slower. exercise, pause, and then go back, or if you want to continue. And yeah, so that's that. It's already paired. You can control it from this app. To me, my preference, I rather choose the remote control than this, because if I will be walking, I'm gonna be using this and watch, you know, something on YouTube, like, or listening to the music or watching movies. I will just, you know, use this remote control if I want to start, you know, the treadmill or turn it off, like that. By the way, before I forget, I have to put the lubricant or the oil in there. I'm going to cut this tube. When I'm done, I'm going to use this, you know, cap. Cut it, the top. Put this lubricant over here. There. Put on the other side. It says in the instructions that you have to wipe it. Yeah, like smear it around. Start the treadmill. It was fun, and there's no handle. All you do is just step on and start the, you know, the treadmill slowly. You can adjust the speed. When you're done, there's two wheels. You can just lift it up and then wheel it. You can put it, you know, under the couch. The problem is our couch don't have a space. I can, you know, slide it under the couch. You can also store it under the bed. You can lean it against the wall. You can do whatever you want. In the house, like if you want to walk or do exercise, you can take it in the bedroom, in the living room, or wherever place in the house that you're comfortable to walk using that walking pad. Yeah, it's easy to store. It's a little bit heavy for me. But anyway, it's not like other kind of treadmill that it's big and bulky and it takes a lot of room. And we have that. Me and my husband using that treadmill, but this one is just a small size and it's good for me, and he can use the big one. The only downside of that treadmill is that, you know, you see that phone holder when you store it under the bed. If you want to use that cell phone holder, you have to screw it and unscrew it, so that's kind of a pain. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. That's optional if you want to use that cell phone holder or not. That's my honest review so far. I loving it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, thank you WellFit for sending this walking pad treadmill. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.